Today I have a vegetarian low-carb keto recipe for you. A couple of weeks ago I shared what I eat in a day on my meat-free Monday, and today is a Monday, and so I thought I would share another vegetarian keto recipe with you as it was requested in the comments of the last video. So what I've got for today is I'm making a creamy zoodle dish for myself for lunch. Creamy avocado zoodles. So I've got my favorite little spiralizer here. I'll leave a link down below so you can grab one of these too. They're really useful for making zucchini noodles. So I have zoodled a whole zucchini, and what I'm going to do is make up a sauce with mascarpone, avocado, and a smidge of Parmesan. And that's pretty much it. Those four ingredients make a really simple, easy, low-carb, high-fat dish. So let's get on and make it. First we are going to make our creamy sauce, and we'll take 2 tablespoons, that's 2 tablespoons of mascarpone, and we're going to add in half of an avocado, which I've just chopped into little pieces inside the shell over here, the avocado peel. And now we're just going to mash these 2 ingredients together, and that is our creamy sauce done. And then it's just a matter of heating everything through. Oh yeah, look at that. You could use a food processor if you want, but I'm quite happy clunking around in my bowl with my fork. Yeah, look at that creamy sauce. Oh, so good. Okay, now we're just going to heat it up. Now you could definitely have this raw, but I just prefer to heat it up. I've got a little saucepan over here, and I'm just going to stir it, warm it through until it just starts to heat, and then throw in my zucchini, heat that up, and add a tablespoon or so of Parmesan. I like to heat it up as well so the Parmesan can get nice and melty. Look at that, you can see it's already melting, and it just thickens up. Oh yeah. What a fun dish. In pretty much a sec, because it's such a teeny amount, it heats in no time. Now, I'm making this just for myself for lunch today. You can double, triple, quadruple it if you want to make it for more people. This is just lunch for one, just for me. There, it's already boiling. And we will add our zucchini in. It takes seconds to then heat up the zucchini and heat everything through, and it's, look at that, thick creamy zoodles with avocado. Yum. And all I'm going to do is just add in my Parmesan, and that is done. It takes, as I said, keep repeating it, no time at all, and you have a yummy, easy, low carb, keto, vegetarian meal. And I'm just going to add in my Parmesan, a big heaped tablespoon. I don't do things by half, yeah? And that is done. Look at that creamy zucchini noodle. Oh, it's thick and creamy and cheesy and avocado and just so deliciously amazing. So that is the recipe for today, how to make creamy avocado zoodles. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. I am on the keto low carb diet, so all my videos are low carb, keto, lifestyle friendly. So subscribe and join the Yummy Inspirations community. Love to have you part of the family. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.